Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Keybank online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Keybank login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the another page where you can see there are two options. First one is sign on and another one is enroll in online banking. So you need to tap on the sign on. Now you'll be redirected to the official login page of the Keybank, where you can see it is asking us for our user ID and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign on, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. And you can see there is a save user ID options right above of this enter your password. So once you enable this one, then yeah, your credentials or your user ID gonna be saved in this browser or your device. And if you by chance have forgotten your user ID or your password, then simply tap on the problem signing on. So on in the screen just down below of the sign on option. Yeah, so once you do that, you need to complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Keybank online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.